Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day, whether you're watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening. I'm glad you're here. Today we've got an unboxing from something I saw over in Atlanta at Blade Show and then saw online, so I went ahead and picked it up. And guys, if you get a real quick chance, if you can see my finger right there under the video, please hit that subscribe button and that bell notification icon. Let you know when I release videos like this unboxing that'll be released later today, and it'll help the channel. I'd really appreciate it. Unboxing knife today is going to be the Artform Slimfoot. You're just going to chop into it. All right, I got a love note. All right, little note from Jack Billings there, W. Jack Billings of Shed Knives. So I met him over at Blade Show in Atlanta at his booth. Super, super, super nice guy. Had some really cool knives over there. At the time, I wasn't really buying anything. Blade Show, I was kind of doing the responsible thing, but I was picking up cards. I was getting names. I was taking note. And what I picked up was the Skur. Believe it or not, it's a fishing knife in CPM 154. So let's get into it. Got a sticker, Shed Knives with Pride. Awesome. So that is the Skur. Some product information. Some info for you guys. It's a screenshot if you want to read about it. Basically says it's manufactured in Delaware. Overall length 7.31 inches. Blade length is 3.31. Blade width is 0.5. Handle width or length is 3.5. Yada, yada, yada. Hollow grind, Kydex. And it goes on. So let's throw that in there. Let's throw that in there. Let's get that over there. And let's take a look at what we've got here. So what I've got here is a big hunk of CPM 154 that is made by hand, that is an overbuilt little chunk of a knife. Now, if you guys know me, I probably won't keep this belt strap on here. I will probably mount a strap here strap it on my belt. Might try an ulti-clip on this one and see how that works out. But anyway, I digress. What you'll notice here is this is a very, and I don't want to say crude as a bad way, but it's a very crude, hand-machined, handmade little knife called the Skur that is super overbuilt. It's got a hollow grind about a third of the way down this flat blade, super thick blade stock. You've got this kind of pommel lanyard hook loop area there, and then you've got these nice G10 scales. You can remove these with a simple Phillips head if you want to make this a paracord knife, or if you want to swap out the scales with some of the other scales that Shed offers. But let's see if I can find, where did I just put his note? So guys, it is so thick and it cuts so well. I can only imagine the hard use you can get out of this little knife. Anyway, this isn't a review. This is just a simple unboxing first impressions. Got a nice sharpening choil there. Very, very massive knife. I mean, very, very big in the hand, even though it's not long. For example, I'm carrying my Arcform Slim Foot. That's the Arcform Slim Foot for size comparison. Whoop. Just to give you an idea. And a Benchmade bug out. So if I take it back to that pommel, it is just about the length of the Benchmade bug out. But if I look at my 4-max over next to the Benchmade bug out, this guy is overbuilt much more than my 4-max. So that gives you an idea on that thickness. Guys, I am stoked to have this little shed Skur. Wanted to pick one up over at Blade Show. I'll tell you guys a little secret. These are now available and being sold. If you go over to knafesale.com, I will put Knafesale in the description of this unboxing. There are a couple of Skurs over there, one in orange, one in Tiffany blue. I have no affiliation with Knafesale. I just let you guys know where I found it. I wasn't really looking for it. I was just browsing Knafesale and came across it and said, oh my gosh, that's one of the shed knives. And sure enough, the seller shed knives. So he's making the knives I guess he had left over from Blade Show available on Knafesale. So after you see this video, if you're interested, rush over there for 120 bucks. You too can grab one of these overbuilt behemoth of a fixed blade called the Shed Skur. Guys, thank you for watching the video. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for hitting the bell notification icon. Thank you for watching. Please look out for the guy or gal to your left. Please look out for the guy or gal to your right. Please look out for each other. Go forward with love in your heart. Choose debate, not hate. I love you all. Peace.